everybody, I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is Maccy and this is Tuvo. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my followers request, which is to model these characters. But in today's video, I'm only going to be modeling the Maccy because we didn't have any time to put the Tuvo in this video. And also, normally this video took for about like 1 hour, and so because of that we are going to speed these things up in today's video and cut some parts, and this video will have a shorter version of this 1 hour. And so if you guys have any requests too, you guys are free to tell me in the comments. So I'm going to show here the Maccy in his hands over here like this, and I'm going to be showing Tuvo in the next video. So before starting the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So to start off, we are first going to do the shape of Maccy, and after that we are going to do the details. Alright my friends, we've reached to the end of another lesson. And I hope this was a really helpful and fun lesson. And as I said, if you guys have any request, you guys are free to say it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.